In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check when a Pinterest pin was created. If you need to confirm exactly when a post went live, maybe for a content calendar, a campaign report, or just peace of mind, this quick walkthrough on desktop will show you where that information lives. Start by heading to Pinterest.com in your browser and sign into the account that owns the pin. A quick check here saves confusion later, especially if you juggle personal and business profiles. Once the homepage loads, look to the top right corner and click the profile icon. That takes you to your profile hub, where all your boards, saved content, and published pins are organized. On your profile, click Pins. This view focuses on individual posts rather than entire boards. Depending on recent interface updates, you may see this area labeled slightly differently, but you're essentially entering the section that lists your posts in one place. Next, click Created by You. This is the key filter that separates content you personally published from pins you simply saved from elsewhere. After you select it, the gallery refreshes to show only the items you created, typically arranged with the most recent at the top. Here is where you'll find the creation information you're after. Pinterest generally displays the published date alongside each pin in this view, and if it's not immediately visible on the card, it will appear within the pin's details. This makes it straightforward to verify when a specific post was originally published. A few quick tips to make this smoother. If you don't immediately see the date, give the page a moment to finish loading, then scroll slightly so thumbnails render completely. If your profile looks different, check that you're on the correct account and not viewing a public profile preview. Also, terminology on Pinterest evolves, but the path remains the same. Go to your profile, focus on the pins view, then narrow to the items created by you. That's all there is to it. By visiting Pinterest.com, opening your profile, choosing the pins view, and selecting Created by You, you can quickly check when any of your Pinterest pins was created. Keep this flow handy for reporting, auditing old content, or planning future posts with accurate dates. If you're documenting results, consider capturing a quick screenshot of the date for your records. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you stay organized and confident in your posting timeline.